Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Mind Movies Vision Board App. I Wish Vision Board App. My Vision Board. Visualize your dreams. Magnetic Lab, Android only. Subliminal Vision Boards. iOS and Android. Vision Board. Law of Attraction, Feng Shui, iOS and Android.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
How to make a vision board with the Canva desktop. Step 1. Start your design. Go to Canva and select the US letter size, or a large dimensions like 1800 by 2400 pixels option. Step 2. Set up your grid. Step 3. Add your images. Step 4. Create your vision board online.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
6. Take a few moments to contemplate your vision board every day. To get the full benefit from your vision board, it's important for you to place it somewhere you can see it every day. I recommend you take a few minutes to look over your vision board at least once or twice a day.
Take our lead.
Vision boards provide you with a daily visual reminder of your dreams and goals. The reason that vision boards work so great is because you visually see them every day. Visualization is one of the most popular and effective mind workouts that you can do.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
As mentioned above, vision boards do work because they take the thoughts and dreams in your head and turn them into something real and tangible. But, and it is a big but, they only work for you if you are prepared to work with them. If you believe in the law of attraction, a vision board will help you to manifest.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
There are a number of tools you can use to create vision boards online, but Design Wizard is the best platform for making a design that stands out. Simply open a blank canvas and begin adding your images. You can choose from both PicWizard and Design Wizard's huge library of images or upload your own.
Take our lead.
Dream Cloud app is another great tool that you can use to create a vision board for achieving your business goals. This app allows you to make task lists and help you focus on and manifest your vision. Our virtual assistants can help you create your online vision board.
Take our lead.
Create a digital vision. How to make a vision board online without magazines. Hello Bombshell. Discover how to make a digital vision board online without magazines using your phone or computer and apps like PicMonkey, Canva, Instagram, and Pinterest.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.